Can't you download photos and videos from WhatsApp on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Guide Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can fix the problem if you can't download any photos or videos or getting download fail error on WhatsApp. It's super easy, so let's get started. So now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do, make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. And this will actually slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. If you still have the problem, then follow this advanced step. Go ahead and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on apps, and go ahead and find out the WhatsApp and tap on the WhatsApp here. And once you're here inside this one, tap on photos and make sure you have select the full access from here. And then get back from here, and the very last thing that you have to do, open up the WhatsApp from your iPhone and tap on settings at the bottom right here, scroll down and tap on chat, and be sure to enable this option save to photos, and then get back from here and then scroll down, tap on storage and data, and then scroll down, and under the media auto download you just need to select the photo and select Wi-Fi and cellular data and do it for video as well. Now once you do that, you're pretty much good to go, and you will be able to download photos and videos from WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.